Vertica is Canada's exclusive distributor for Am-Clad, wall cladding and protection. Am-Clad's antimicrobial wall panels actively kill germs and provide easy, clean surfaces in hygiene-critical environments. Providing supreme levels of hygiene and preventing the spread of infections, Am-Clad is trusted in hospitals, schools, and restaurants across Canada and around the world. Manufactured to exacting standards in the UK, Am-Clad PVC wall coverings and wall protection provide innovative antimicrobial and hygienic properties. Our premium-grade antimicrobial wall cladding is ideal for infection control in medical facilities, laboratories, and food-safe environments. Proven antiviral and antibacterial properties, along with a textured, scratch-resistant surface, provide the ultimate protection in high-traffic areas. Our satin-smooth, silver-infused wall protection is the perfect choice for operating theaters, laboratory and medical research facilities, and institutional spaces where germ suppression is required. Am-Clad's hygienic PVC panels are the most cost-effective and perfectly suited for humid hydroponic environments. They are a vital non-toxic component of infection control measures needed for specialized industries. Am-Clad's solution for a sealed room envelope is made possible with thermoformed inside and outside corners, 2-part watertight joint strips, and welded seams for the ultimate in wall protection. All Am-Clad wallboards can be fixed over existing ceramic tiles, brickwork, blockwork, plaster walls, and boarded-out stud partitions. With a wide range of color choices, Am-Clad is the perfect plastic board to cover walls and a range of other surfaces. Am-Clad is not only the gold standard for hygienic wall protection, but it's always readily available from our warehouses, when many other product lines have long ship times in this pandemic era. Call, text, or email us today for a no-obligation quote on your next project.